Hello, how are you? How are you? Good afternoon. Today I'm recording this video and I want to show you how you can calculate the volume of a gallery, a ramp, or a chimney with the blocks of the new RecMin Pro. Look, here right now we have an access ramp to the interior of the mine, okay? I have it designed in RecMin Free. Well, those who already know RecMin Free know that in this free version, you can also calculate the volume by other methods, but today I want to show you very quickly how to do it with the new RecMin Pro. Look, this mine topography, where you have a gallery where you are going to calculate a volume, what you are going to do is to copy it with this button that says copy to RMRX clipboard, which is the reading format of RecMin Pro. Click there and then start the drawing window of the new RecMin Pro and click where it says paste. And now you have copied the ramp to which you want to calculate a volume. They can be from galleries, chimneys, 3D solids, whatever you want. So right now I'm going to choose this main gallery, okay? And I'm going to click on this button that you have here that says block model creator. Okay, very well, this window will appear. And here in this window, you have several options to calculate or generate the blocks. We are going to leave the default option and we are going to put, for example, blocks of 0.5 meter or 50 centimeters, knowing that the dimensions of the section of that gallery are 4 by 5 meters, okay? Very well, then we edit these parameters. You can change these values, and when smaller, the volume will be much more accurate, obviously. Click on generate block model and wait for the program to generate the block. For this option, you don't need to have a pro license. You can try it right now if you want. And that's it. The program has just generated the blocks or just filled that gallery with blocks. I'm going to turn off right now here the gallery solid or the triangles and leave activated only the blocks. And below here, I have the information that the software has generated 103,333 blocks. And if I want to know the volume of the solid, that is very easy. You just multiply 0.5 by 0.5, which are the dimensions of each block, by the number of blocks that the software generated for the gallery, which are 103,333. And then I get the volume, which would be 12,916.625 cubic meters. Okay, then are there other methods or ways to calculate the volume with the RecMin software? Yes, but for now, I wanted to show you this method that is very simple, okay? There you can see the blocks in the RecMin Pro window that it generated for this gallery. And if you generate smaller blocks, then you will have more precision, like the blocks that I generated before here. For example, obviously the volume I think is much more precise because you get more detail of the solid, okay? Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you. If you are already a RecMin user, try to explore also the RecMin Pro version. It has a lot of goodies, a lot of good things, new features, and more power.